Hi, this is the Galaxy A05S and I'll show you how to log out from the Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch the Gmail app, then just tap on the right upper corner and tap to manage accounts on this device because we should first log out from the Google account on the device, and after that we could log out from the Gmail app automatically. So tap to your account, click to remove, confirm your action by tap to remove account. If your device gets some protect features, you could use them. I'll use, for example, my fingerprint. Now we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully logged out from the Gmail application. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.